Alrighty, so this is the DJI Osmo Nano. Now I've had this since early October. I've been wanting to do a review on this. Now DJI did not send me this product. I went out and purchased this on my own. And this is actually the second one I purchased. I ended up buying this one in Japan, but I ended up taking this to the Dominican Republic. Well, the first one I had, and I'll explain why I bought two of them. But a lot of times when we look at reviews and we talk about footage, it's always filmed professionally, right? And anybody or any professional can make any camera look incredible. But what could an average Joe consumer do with the Action Nano? In this video, that's what we're talking about. Let's get started. What's good, everybody? Ken here, you're watching OriginaldoBo. And like I said, this is the second Action Nano that I purchased. Now, DJI wants me to go ahead and review the Action 360, which I will do, but I'll do it when I'm ready to do it. But I thought I would talk about the Action Nano because I've had it here for a little while. And I think that potentially this is the best action camera that DJI has if you are looking for portability, discreetness, and just overall ease of use. You can put this in almost anybody's hands and they're going to be able to get a great image, standard profile, 4K, 30 frames per second. It has all of the bells and whistles of the Action 5 Pro, but it's just crammed into this tight form factor that separates itself, making it incredible for just on-the-go filming or vlogging. But I had two of these, and when I was in the Dominican Republic, I ended up giving one of these to one of my clients. We went down there to film some villas and some higher-end homes in the Dominican, and while we were down there, she was constantly using her cell phone, and I just said, "Hey, Yami, do you want this?" And she was like, "Oh my gosh, yes, I've always wanted an action camera." So I gave it to her. Little did I know she was going to be filming nonstop. And she did everything sort of vlog style. Now, mind you, this is somebody with very limited experience. The only thing I told her how to do was change from photo mode to video mode. Everything else I'm gonna show you in this video is all her, which is incredible because a lot of times, like I said, when you do things professionally and you have a shot in mind, you can get a result that will skew the final output of a video. But giving this to somebody that has zero understanding of the camera and how it works, you're going to get a result that is true to a consumer purchasing this product. If you've been on the fence for this action camera and you're looking for the specs and things like that, you're not gonna find it here in this video. You can look up what the specs are, but what can this camera achieve if you give it to somebody and they don't know what they're doing? That's what this video is for. And this is Punta Cana from the view of us.
We are about to go into penthouses that are $1 million penthouses. One of these penthouses is $25 million for the bathroom, made out of jade. Like jade finishes in the bathroom.
That camera makes shit too accessible.
We mind asking, I guess. Oh, I'm with them, I'm sorry. Rate it.
Like 11.
I asked Ken to rate it, he said an 11. What's your rate?
A lot.
What do you rate it, Fonz?
20.
It's a 20 out of 10. Look at the chef in the kitchen.
That's why you wanted Tommy to come back so telling her. It smells like France. I didn't even know it was recording in the beginning, but it's okay. Ice cream place. It was closed yesterday, but it was like only closed for a couple minutes too.
Yeah, we missed it by like 20 minutes.
And now it's open, but it closes in like 15 minutes, so we got here at close
Gotta
time.
hurry. I need an ice cream.
He needs his ice cream. We're all just here for moral support. What'd you get, Fun?
Mango. Eso es mango. No mango, queso.
I said mango.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Dominican Kenya people.
Dominican Alfonso.
Yes.
Together we are
The Cabrera.
What is that?
It's from Molina.
Chocolate from Molina. Look at him and his sprinkles.
chocolate.
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 So we just woke up. Our first official night that we had last night. We went to sleep early because we were tired. I believe we had other party animals, and we have one there that has not answered the phone. So. Which way do we go? This way or that way?
I don't know.
We would go this way. I remember. But we're going to a Punta Cana resort today to go see some big old villas to do some videos in there.
I'm starting to feel sick.
You're starting to feel sick? God. I got eggs, a waffle. So it looks like we're the only ones at breakfast. I don't know what party went on last night, but apparently it was pretty hefty. We are in the bakery. I got my double espresso. Ken got his limonada that he's like obsessed with. He loves this lime juice. Tito looks very fancy. What is that? ¿Café con leche?
Esto es un cafecito que se le dicen chocolate.
Very fancy. Very fancy. What we got over there? The same thing? Cappuccino. And he had a cappuccino, so we have Cappuccino King over there. But yeah, so what's our plans for today, guys?
Do me next.
Oh, I told you. I told them.
Limonada.
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 He's gonna go home asking people for limonada, and they're gonna be like, "What the fuck is that?"
There's a mini bar in your room, and I'm like, what? So now I have to find out because the guy's like, now I'm pissed because and I gave the guy the $1 when he came to the room. He's like looking at me like, bitch, you didn't give me my 7-Up. Eating these, I'm opening.
I didn't get no cheese on my nachos.
On my nachos, not even. It doesn't look anything like the picture, and I'm like,
false advertising.
But I'm gonna tell you, dude, whatever salsa they put on this shit here, it'll fuck you up. They knew I was white when they made it. Fine being here because I feel like, hey.
This is the life of a millionaire here.
They're AI birds, yo.
AI birds.
They're AI birds. They're just like, you hear them singing? Like,
They're singing on cue.
it's the perfect soundscape.
Okay. I don't know. Let's fry with caution. And
It's not even like it's not on to the public.
We're in the Dominican.
That's it, yo. Come man.
we are arriving to Casa de Campo.
Something crazy on the inside. One of us top.
Side that way. Adrian's like, whoa. Song guy woman.
Good to meet you, Adrian.
Oh.
Detail shots of things, and then we'll.
Hey, you're gonna see it on video later what I did. The POV of Ken. I was trying to get the POV of us watching Ken record.
Private beach. Nala's loving it.
Never. It's the first time. Edwin and I talking about this.
Okay, so this house specifically, they have internet, it has Wi-Fi TV.
Gracias, gracias.
Like an hour or two before we have to leave to go see some houses in Punta Cana Resort. So we're just enjoying the ocean a little.
We're working but taking in
All around.
some of the amenities before we go film some ridiculous villas.
They're so nice out, guys. This water is so refreshing in this serious ass heat.
You remember our first shooting?
The sun.
Yeah, and typically, you see how like all the sand's coming up?
I was so nervous about coming, but now that I'm here, all the staff. But she really plays in the Puerto, and then I'll say, Althea, say something in Spanish. Oh, I don't speak Spanish well. I said, fucking, you're really hammering the Puerto Rican thing, but you have worse Spanish than me. That's it.
They'd be like, the fuck are you looking at or stuff like that? And kids say, what? My hair just got soaked!
I have a bag, again, whole different ball.
Hello, Orlando, baby. We're in the Dominican Republic. I'm so blessed, baby. I got my lioness queen with me. She's my baby girl. I love her so much. Boom, baby.
And he's like, yeah. He goes, okay.
Exactly. Perfect.
Hi, mama.
Where you go? Doña Pula. Buenas. Look, yeah, I understand you.
Doing it. I'm like, what the heck?
Nodding my head.
You guys ready to eat?
Doña Pula.
Doña Pula. Doña Pula. Yeah, send it.
¿Cómo te sientes?
Coño.
Gracias.
Hey, yo. Hey. That's like good ease. Are you ready?
Okay, we'll get the close up.
Get your close up.
2, 1.
Cheers.
Cheers. Now we dialing it in. We're dialing it in.
Jet Car X90.
Really amazing.
Yeah, there's some.
There is? Or I can go
Usually
down.
it's like I'll show you the
This is so nice.
The buyer.
I love it. They're good.
Alrighty, so overall, I think she did an amazing job with filming. Like I said, little to no direction. There wasn't even an SD card in here. So she was literally filming and then dumping the files back to her laptop. That's what I told her to do because we didn't have an SD card there and we weren't about to go out to a store there and purchase one. But I think the storage on this one, this is the 128 gigs of storage. I think this is more than enough to vlog and film and get what you need throughout a whole day's worth of content. It's nice that you have this split screen sort of setup where you can flip this around and be behind the camera or use it for vlogging or just use this by itself. Being there and using this camera, it was very, very discreet and it didn't cause a scene, and I thought that was fantastic. In low light, it did amazing. The audio coming out of the camera was great, and even down by the beach, the dynamic range was incredible, even in the harsher sunlight conditions. And for photos, I thought it did very, very good. Overall, I'm very impressed with the Osmo Nano, and if you've been on the fence of purchasing this camera, it's a good option. It's a great option if you want something that will force you to film. Not that forcing is a bad term, but it will allow you to film a little bit more freely without thinking about it the same as, like, let's say your cell phone. Like, nobody wants to take their cell phone out because this is a lot more conspicuous than this. This you can use with the included strap and magnet and just do your thing and have a great time. So yeah, very impressed with the Osmo Nano. I'll have a link in the description below. Hopefully you can purchase one. Maybe you can from Amazon. I went through Amazon for the first one, and then for the second one, I ended up buying it when I was in Japan. But yeah, Osmo Nano, very impressive. I will have my Action 360 video later this month, but I really just wanted to talk about this one because this is the one that I really enjoyed the most. All right, that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Stay original, and if you enjoyed this style of view or video, fuck you.